What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rich. Today we're going to install spring spacers on a Kawasaki Bruteforce 750. This thing has been giving me a little trouble with these 30-inch tires. Turned up the light, got everything re-secured again. Hopefully another 2 inches will fix this problem. So we'll be installing these. I think they go right here, right between the spring and the top part, or on the bottom. Snorkels are done. Warrior riser snorkels, pain in the ass. So you can't get this ready for the weekend. Still have snorkels to do for the wife's four-wheeler. Not looking forward to doing that one. Beautiful day here in Houston. Also, says to get this professionally done because this can be dangerous, compressing the springs. I saw some other videos on YouTube. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, take the tires off. Put some jack stands. I put my tires in the back so it won't roll. Got a little incline here. This one is a 14. Hopefully this impact wrench will work. That was bigger. Okay, be right back. All right, that was a 17. Come out now. Okay guys, update. This is what the spring looks like with the spacer on. Pain in the ass to get on. The best way to get these on is to use those I guess the ones I had earlier, shock puller or whatever it is. And what I did was I put them on, only one side goes on and the opposite side on the other side, and then you take actual wire and tie them up, twist them on real tight so they don't slip off, and you just turn them and turn them and turn them, because we were having problems getting them to stay on, and they would slide off every time because there's not enough to actually grab on to the actual spring with this cover over it, shock cover. So, all right, here we go. Fixing to put them back on, and hopefully it's 2 inches higher. All right. That's what they look like with the spacers in. All bolted back up. Let's put these big tires back on. All right, YouTube, here it is. There it goes. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more videos. Thank you. All right, YouTube, let's go for a quick cruise.